Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Hieroglyphs e-learning. In last video, I have already shown you how to open the project in different way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write in project information to create the new project. Here I'm going to tell you how to write in the basic project information when you create the new project. In order to create the new project, you should get the information including when the project will start, when the project is required to be complete, what is the scope of work in the contract. After you got this information, then you can just start to create the new project. When you create the new project, the first thing is you have to open the project information dialog. There is two ways to open the project information dialog. The first way is click the project button in menu bar. Then click the project information. The second is you can make a setting in the option in backstage when you click File button. Then you click Option. Then you click Advance. In the General section, place a check in the Prompt for Project Info for New Projects box. After you have this setting, the Project Information dialog box will appear automatically when you open the new project. Now let me try to see it. Then after we open the project information dialog, the first we need to decide is start date. The schedule I'm talking about here is about CPM schedule for the project. For CPM schedule, if you set a start date for the project, all task state calculation will start from that date. That day should be the start date of the critical path in the schedule. Then we come to schedule from. The schedule from is related to CPM schedule. There are two options in schedule from. One is project start date. The second is project finish date. If you select the project start date, it means you select forward path calculation, and its calculation result in early start date and early finish date. If you select project finish date, it means you select backward path calculation, and its calculation result in late start date and a late finish date. Then we come to the current date. This date is generally set for the date to provide the schedule. To record the date, you provide the schedule. It will be later than the update date. or status date, because you will be asked for provide the schedule time by time. When you print your schedule, you should use current date to record the date. Then come to the status date. When you want to update the schedule, the status date have to be selected. It is used to update the schedule. Selecting the status date means that you want to update all tasks completed before this status date, and update all tasks that have been started but not completed before this status date. After you set the status date, then you can enter the actual start date and actual finish date of the task before the status date. If it is the initial schedule without update, the status date should be the same start date. Then we come to the finish date. It is a calculated date after you create the schedule or update the schedule. So you cannot fill. Then come to the calendar. It is very important in the calculation of the CPM schedule. Different calendar used in the schedule will result in very different results of the schedule date. This calendar will indicate your working hours per day, the number of the working days per week, as well as the public holiday dates stipulated by the government each year, as well as dates that are not suitable for specific work. There is 3 options of the calendar in this form: 24 hours calendar, night shift calendar, and a standard calendar, which is the default calendar, working 5 days a week and 8 hours a day. But for the realistic CPM schedule, none of them will be used. You must design a working calendar that matches the actual situation in your project by yourself. How to design the calendar, I will let you know in later tutorial. Then come to the priority. The priority mentioned here is to determine the priority of the project. When you manage multiple projects and use shared resources for those projects, then the project level priority will play its role. If you just manage one project, you just ignore this selection. This is end of this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, please visit my other tutorial about Microsoft project. See you next time.